Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today our topic is the US dollar losing power, why Americans are turning to Bitcoin. The US dollar is losing buying power slowly but surely, and millions of Americans are starting to notice. That's why more people in the United States are quietly turning to Bitcoin, not as a gamble but as a protection. In this video, we will break down why the dollar is weakening, why Bitcoin is gaining attentions, and what this means for American investors. And let's make this simple. When people say the dollar is losing power, they don't mean it will disappear. They mean inflation is reducing what your money can buy. Every year, groceries cost more, rent increases, healthcare becomes more expensive. Even if your salary goes up, your purchasing power often goes down. This is one of the biggest financial concerns for Americans households in 2026. Inflation is not just a number on the news, it affects real life. Many Americans are realizing that keeping all their savings in cash means losing value over time. Traditional savings accounts often fail to beat inflations. That's why people are looking for alternatives. Bitcoin is very different from the US dollar. The dollar can be printed in unlimited amounts. Bitcoin has a fixed supply of 21 million coins. This security is one reason Bitcoin is often compared to digital gold. For some Americans, Bitcoin represents a hedge against inflation, a store of value, or long-term assets. Not everyone agrees, but the conversation is growing. Uh, Bitcoin used to be seen as risky and experimental. That perception is changing. Major U.S. institutions now offer Bitcoin ETFs, regulated crypto exposure, custody services. When institutions get involved, it increases trust and legitimacy. This is a big reason why more Americans are paying attention now. Uh, this is important. Bitcoin is not replacing the US dollar. People still use dollars for daily spending. Bitcoin is being used more like long-term savings, portfolio diversification, protection against uncertainty. It's not about choosing one over the other. It's about balance. Bitcoin is not risk-free. The prices can be volatile, market sentiment can change, regulations can impact prices. That's why education matters. Smart investors don't follow hype, they manage risk and think long term. Several factors are driving this shift. Ongoing inflation concern, government debt levels, global economic uncertainty, easier access to crypto through ETFs. Together, these factors are pushing Bitcoin into the mainstream conversation. For American investors, the key takeaway is awareness. Understand how inflation works, what Bitcoin actually is, how it fits or don't into your financial plan. Information is power. Uh, this video is for education purpose only and it does not constitute financial advice. Always do your own research before investing in cryptocurrency. The US dollar is not collapsing, but its buying power is changing, and that's why more Americans are exploring Bitcoin. If you want simple, honest crypto content focused on the US market, subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.